Hey everyone, welcome to IT Twist. My name is Gaurav. In the last video we have seen data structures in Python like list, tuples and set. In this video we will see about another data structures which is dictionary. If you are not subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button below for programming tutorials and technology updates. I am in my Visual Studio Code. Before diving deep into dictionaries, I would like to tell you something about dictionary. The dictionary is a collection which is always unordered. Dictionary always contains a key value pairs. The best way to think about a dictionary is a dictionary itself, where we have different set of words and its meaning. Think of a word as a key and its meaning as value. Dictionaries are always indexed on the basis of keys, which can only be of numbers or string data type. So let's see what is the syntax of a dictionary. So we used to create dictionary by this curly braces, and we used to specify some key value pairs, and our key will be always of type of string or number, and our value can be anything. Okay, as of now I created this one key value pair, and you can create multiple key value pairs as well. So now we will create a dictionary of a person. So I am creating a variable named person, and it will be of type dictionary. So I am declaring it with this curly braces, and inside that I will create some key value pairs. So first I will create a key of name, which will be of type string, and its value will be just say Joe, and it will be of type string. And after that we will just create one more property which will be age, and age will be the key and its value will be just specify 14. So after that let's give hobbies key, and inside that it will take some list as a value. So we will specify just say cycling and dancing. So these are the hobbies. So in order to print this person, so we will just say print person. Cool. So in order to run this, we will go ahead with python dictionary.py, and we will see name Joe, age 14, hobbies cycling and dancing. So how to access an item of a dictionary? We used to access item of a dictionary by using this square brackets, and inside that we used to specify our key. So let's say name. So if I will run this, it will return Joe. For example, I am just writing age, and when I will run it, you will find 14, and when I will go ahead with hobbies, it will return list. Cool. So what if I want to access some key which is not defined inside this particular dictionary person? So let's say I want to access some property which will be gender, and when I will run this you will find an error because it is not there in the dictionary. So there is one more appropriate approach to access an item of a dictionary. So instead of the square brackets, we will make use of this get function, and inside that we will just pass our key. So for example, I am passing gender, which is not there, and when I will run this you will find none instead of an error message. Okay, so for example, I don't want to return none, I want to return some value, for example say male every time. So how to do that? So with this property we will just pass one more argument which will be say male, and when I will run this you will find male when it is not defined. So for example, I want to access name, so when I will run this you will find Joe. So you can pass one more argument, so when this name is not defined inside the dictionary. So for example, I want to say Gaurav, and when I will run this, you will find Joe only. So Gaurav will come only when the name is not defined here. So for example, I am just commenting out from this, and when I will rerun this again, you will find Gaurav. Got it? That's for accessing the item of a dictionary. So how to update this particular dictionary with the another key? So you can update it by using this curly braces, and inside that you will specify some key, for example country, and the value you will specify here, which will be India. And when you will get this particular country, so country, and let me rerun this again, and you will find India. Okay, and when you will just print whole person, you will get all of the items of a dictionary. So there is one more way to update a particular items of a dictionary, but this time you can update multiple properties of a dictionary. So how to do that? So we can go and we can add person dot update function, and this will take a dictionary again, and you will just specify, for example country, and it will be India, and second key will be state, and we will specify, for example Delhi. And when we will rerun this again, you will find name, age, hobbies, country, and state. Now how to return a particular length of a dictionary? So we will simply use len function, and we will wrap a person variable around this, and let's rerun this again, and you will find 5. So in this way you can access all of the length of a dictionary. So now how can we remove a particular item from a dictionary? Let's see that as well. So we can remove a particular item by using del keyword and person, and we will specify the key which we want to remove. For example, I want to remove age, and when I will go ahead and print the person dictionary, and then you will find name and hobbies. Age is not there. So there is one more way to remove a particular item from a dictionary, and we can store it in a variable for the later use. Likewise, we use in a list, so that is the pop function. So we can utilize that person.pop, and we can specify age over here in the argument, and we can store it, for example in the age variable for the later use, and I'm printing age as well. When I will rerun this again, you will find age will be stored in the age variable, which will be 14, and our person dictionary will have name and hobbies, and age is not there. So we have one another operation. For example, I want to access all the keys and all the values of a particular dictionary. So how to do that? So when I will print person dot keys, and when I will run this, you will find all the keys present in the dictionary. And for example, I want to print all the values. So when I will write person.values and I will rerun this again, you will find all the values. And for example, I want all keys and all the values combined together in a tuple. So how to do that? We can write person.items. So when I will rerun this, you will find all the tuples stored in a list, so which will have two particular things. One will have the key and one will have the value. So that's it for this particular video. In the next video, we will learn about the iterations and the loops. So stay tuned. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comment section below. And thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.